allow me to ask three questions.
Yes,
Permission.
yes, please.
Thank you. Yeah. Now, I wanted to start with 1 to 2, infrastructure, governance, and CS. This design costing 3.5 billion. We did like 3. I visited the teachers supplier, and I saw they are making Indian toilets, with what I can see, you have a 5,000 liter tank. So, looking at the future, do you still want to retain this plan of building for us bigger trains? Then we should be progressing to something else. That's number 1. Especially for these young children. Then number 2, on the meals, I think that is at 1.4, the meals program. I saw you launched some, is it Uji? You call it Uji was CS?
45 porridges.
Porridge, yeah? Yeah, there was a national policy on health and nutrition for young children, I think 2018. And it says that primary schools shall provide children with a mid-morning meal, that is the snack, in bracket,
Yes.
and eat the porridge and milk during the 10 grades. And then a balanced diet of protein, carbohydrates, and vitamins. I hope you are aware of that policy.
Yes.
Now, I've seen you have put the cost of your meal program at 12 shillings and 50 cents per day.
Yes.
Does that address the requirements under that policy?
Okay.
And this porridge thing, I saw you launched, I think it's a machine or something.
Yes.
Would it be located at a place? Are you going to supply all these centers with that porridge bunga? You take your transport and everything? You package and supply to school, to all ECDE centers?
Okay.
Then my final question, you can take notes.
Okay.
And on this, are you charging? I heard that their parents who have already been told to pay 150 shillings per month. That's about 450.
Yes.
Are you doing that? Are you asking parents to pay? You can respond to me.
Okay.
Or you're going to fully provide the meals. You know where we come from. People are poor. You tell them to pay 450 per term. It's something they cannot afford. Now, I've looked at your photos. This is what you have done, yeah?
Yes.
Now, I wanted to ask something on 5.2, infrastructure. And you have said the ECDE classrooms have further been improved by providing furniture, learners, tables and chairs, teachers' chairs and desks. Have you seen it?
Yes, I'm seeing.
Is that what you do?
Yes.
I'll show you one ECDE class. I don't know if that's shall you allow me to use technology?
Yes, you can pass it around.
Okay, thank you. I just want to show you one class. The school is called Nyamira ECDE. You have heard of it? Yeah, that is that's the desk that is at that ECDE center as we speak today. That's a
This one we have seen, and she answered that.
Oh, so it's written there.
we had issues on that one here. Through the chair. Just show him.